MMD. Sabi ko,
Oo.
naku, heels naman si MMD. Eh, yung suot naman na heels ni, hindi naman platform. Sabi ko, bakit parang konti lang yung gap ninyo? So, madaya yung height mo, bulag.
And I have to say, thank you then for thinking that iconic yung pagkapanalo ko in Reina. Thank you
Oo.
so much for thinking that. And I really do understand because I do get that a lot also na parang risk nga sa akin, di na no need na, ano pang papatunayan mo. Pero yun nga, sabi ko, the Reina Hispano-Americano crown will always be there. I'm always going to be an RHA winner. And hindi naman siya dahil gusto kong may patunayan pa when I joined Miss Universe Philippines. It's really about yung decision ko na ayokong mabuhay na may regret ako.
Yes.
Na baka pagising ko when I'm 40, bakit hindi ko kinuha yung opportunity na pwede ako sumali or merong local director na sabi sumali ako, 'di ba? You'll never get that opportunity. Not everyone gets that kind of opportunity.
Yeah.
And I don't think when I'm 40 I'll join again.
Yeah.
And my daughter is 2 years old. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-aware na maaalala niya na minsan nawawala si mama, 'di ba? And my partner is very supportive din ngayon. And so I think this is the best and right time for me to do it because I'm also whole already and I feel like I just felt na it's the right time to do it. So, yun.
I'll take you back noong 2015, nung Binibining Pilipinas, when you were actually part of it. And I posted a video clip kasi sabi ko hindi ko ma-announce Lantara na Muntinlupa talaga siya, puro hints lang and all. So I made a video. I made a video that night. Sabi ko sasabay ko to pag in-announce yung ano mo, yung pagiging official candidate. I saw the video kasi pinanood. 'Di ba? Ay tinawag yung Binibining Pilipinas University was Pia Words back.
Yeah.
It's just so happy nandun ka sa likod, yung position mo. What were you thinking that time, that moment na in-announce na yung last crown na Miss Universe went to Pia? Wala namang yun, kay Pia napunta. And then, syempre, for sure gusto mo rin ng crown, not just necessarily Universe. Pero what were you feeling at that time? Ano ka na ba nun? Naisip mo na agad, okay lang, first time I will join again. Or I feel bad, I feel sad, or yan. Ano yung na-feel
Yun
mo?
yung story kasi nung Binibining Pilipinas. Nag-decide ako na sasali ako a day before the last day. So, wala talaga siya sa plan. Parang nagising na lang ako. Tapos sabi ko kay Mama J, kay Jonas, kasi he was my, parang nung time tayo nasa Mercator ako before. Sabi ko, can I join? I want to join. Bilang bata, na parang dream ko yun, pwede ba ako sumali? So, nagpasa ako, wala pa nga akong shoes, wala akong damit, humiram lang ako. So, the fact na nakasali ako at nakuha ko doon, I was super happy already. I wasn't really expecting anything. I really just wanted to be part of Binibining Pilipinas. And to, jumpstart a dream. Di ba yung younger self ko, sobrang from Tita Melanie, ganyan. So, I was really happy. I knew that Pia was going to win from the very beginning. I was rooting for her. She's also, I idolize her. I know what she went through. Alam ko, 3 times siya sumali. Nakaabang ako sa kanya eh. 'Di ba? So I knew and I wanted her to win as well. Nung wala ng crown, naubos na yung crown, syempre nalungkot ako kasi sumali ka pa rin ng competition, 'di ba? Pero na-accept ko agad na it's just not my time. It's not for me. I need to improve on myself. And maybe when the right time comes, doon ako sasali ulit. So,
You were only 22,
walang
ba? 22 ka lang.
Yes, I was only 22.
Oh, bata. Diba? Pero kasi maingay na talaga yung name mo noon. Not only because anak ni Joey Marquez and Alma Moreno, pero your name itself, maingay na talaga before. So people were also rooting for you to win. Pero at least, di ba, after that, baka talagang timing, proper timing. Di ba? Like,
Yes, naniniwala kasi ako, if it's not for you, it's not for you.
like sabi
Diba?
ko,
Naniniwala din.
it's the right time. O, di ba?
Yes.
And
Oo.
considering na mga 70 candidates ata this year. And ang maganda this year, if I may just share with you, compared with previous years, well-balanced yung number of candidates na like yung mga bagong sali, yung mga first-timers. And then meron din malalakas na comeback queens. So yun yung maganda dito sa mabubuong sisterhood. Parang siguro sabi mo nga, ako if win or lose, di ba? Parang you gain how many friends already or sisters.
Yes.
Totoo yun, no? Kasi kung 70 kayo, you gain 69 more new sisters and for sure may matututunan ka sa bawat isa. Oo.
I feel like if your experience throughout the journey, kung maganda yung experience mo, maganda yung journey mo, nakabuo ka ng friendship, nagtutulungan kayo, kahit hindi ka manalo ng crown, masaya ka eh. Kasi wala kang kaaway, wala kang tinapakan na tao. I think that's more important. And syempre, alam naman natin bilang naman ng crowns na mabibigay, di ba? So, why not just enjoy the journey going to the crown, di ba?
And at your age siguro, kasi you're actually 32 is still young. Sabi ko nga, I don't agree with not putting any cap sa age. Pero you can extend it siguro mga until 35. Kasi feeling ko yung mga 30s, like you, and you already had an experience joining pageants in the past, and ang dami mo na rin personal experiences. Na siguro doon ang gagaling yung yung certainty, yung peace. I felt that when you were answering the questions yesterday, sabi ko parang wala na itong running around the bush, parang direct lang yung sagot niya.
Oo.
Oh, ganun lang, totoo. So parang yung mga tao, actually, kinagat nila yon. Parang they felt that it's sincere. Kasi lalo na ngayon na napaka ng mga pageant fans. Konting mali lang ang
Busisi. Napaka-busisi.
Konting lang, mali lang sa choice ng buhok, ng damit, lalo na ng evening gown.
Totoo.
Parang alam mo, lahat ng may say. So, sabi ko, gosh. Pero with you nga, parang sabi ko, meron na siyang certainty. Siguro it comes with the age also. Nawala yung isang 18 years old or 19 years old. Or kahit nung age mo before na 22. Diba? So, difference now. Na nakita ko sa'yo when you competed 10 years ago, first time, and fast forward ngayon. Yun yung na-feel.
Pero syempre, hindi ko rin naman hindi naman natin din pwedeng sabihin na kasi we don't know minsan may mga 18 years old and 19 years old na sobra na rin yung pinagdaanan diba? So I don't want to say it's also because of my age. It's really based on our experiences and situations in life and kung ano yung mga natutunan natin. So whether you're 15 or 16 or 17, we don't know what they're going through. And I think we have to keep that in mind as well. But ang masasabi ko lang kasi sa akin, I've been through different industries, entertainment, my family is in public service, and I'm also part of the pageantry world. So, I feel like nagsama-sama lang lahat ng experience ko. Tapos naging mommy pa ako.
Yeah.
So, I think just yun lang yung nag-add sa akin. Maybe age comes along with it. But I feel like it's really all the things that I've learned throughout my journey that made me who I am now.
Wow. And how about your parents? Anong nila? How are they accepting it that you're joining again? Lalo na si Miss Alma Moreno.
My mom is stage. Stage mama naman kasi si Mami. Yun. So kahit anong gusto ko, basta happy ako and alam niyang gusto ko yung ginagawa ko, she'll always be supportive. My dad, yung dad ko yung medyo ako na-touch kasi ever since, ayaw niya talaga akong sumali ng beauty pageants. Kasi alam niya na grabe yung pag-judge ng tao. Minsan hindi na makatarungan yung pag-judge sa'yo. Hindi ka naman nila kilala personally. So bilang father, I think, dun siya humuhugot. But now, nagulat ako when I told him, tinanong niya lang ako, sinabi niya sa akin pala, if you're joining because you want to win lang, and you want fame, and you're saying it's a dream of yours to win that crown, don't join. Sabi niya, don't join. But if you're joining because you're okay na. If you're joining because you're afraid to have regrets, kaya doon ako bumabalik. If you're afraid of having regrets, if you're joining because you want to put your message out there, join. Okay na. So parang ako, na-touch ako kasi yung dad ko, it's really not about winning. Okay lang na matalo ka. Basta gusto mo, yung puso mo nandun. So, may approval niya ako kasi sabi ko, Daddy, wala naman akong gustong patunayan. Gusto ko lang gawin to kasi, yun nga, ayoko magising one day na hinayang na hinayang ako sa decision na hindi ko ginawa. And I appreciated that from him.
Yeah, and siguro ang ano lang din ng father mo, Joey Marquez. Siguro he doesn't wanna see you defeated. Yun lang siguro, yun yung pinakauna niya. He's protecting you siguro. Somehow.
Pero, oo, and he told me na parang, real winners aren't afraid to lose. Real winners aren't afraid to take risks. Yun ang ano, and tumatak yun sa isip ko, na parang, oo nga naman, ba't ba ako takot? Yung una pa lang parang, ba't ba ako natatakot? Wala namang mawawala sa akin. I feel like true failure is when you just don't do anything.
Right. And then, yung support ni MMD, which was kitang-kita naman. And I think it's really, really important kasi she just competed there, di ba? Like 2 years ago. And iba na ngayon yung pageantry. Iba na yung dynamics. Mas magastos. Mas time-consuming and all. Oo. And then I saw yung mga photos mo ni Seven Barreto, di ba? Friend ko rin yan si Seven. Oo. So, aabangan namin yung mga pasabog mo on a day. For sure, kasi ngayon, ang trend, dapat on a day-to-day basis, meron ka ng mga pasabog na posting.
Baka hindi day-to-day.
Regular. Kasi nga pala matagal yung duration ng pageant. 3 months ba ito?
Alam, gusto ko maging honest. Parang hindi kakayanin yung day-to-day.
Hindi pala siya 2 weeks sa Miss Universe mismo. Hindi, MUPH pala. So, matagal yung duration ng pageant. Mga 3 months.
Matagal.
So, dapat regular yung and for sure, malaki tulong dyan sa strategy.
Kasi, I'm really, really grateful for Michelle. Kasi I have to be honest and I'm honest to myself also na I lack in some areas. Kasi pageantry before is different sa pageantry ngayon. So I still need guidance. And Michelle siya yung nagpapalinaw sa lahat ng gagawin ko kasi alam niya kung paano ngayon yung pageantry. So she's helping me navigate through things, especially with social media, how it works. And I'm very, very, very grateful for her. Kasi hindi alam ng tao kung gaano ako ka-thankful sa kanya. Kasi minsan nagpapanik din ako. Tao din naman ako. Nagpapanik din ako kung anong... Oo, nagpapanik din naman ako. Pero siya yung parang, kalma lang. Ito gagawin natin. Ganon siya. So, I really do appreciate her. And, family is family. And we only have our backs. And I will trust my everything sa family ko. So, I'm thankful na my Miss Universe, syempre Miss Universe ko siya, si Michelle, is helping me and is a really big part of this journey of mine.
And that's why she's actually well loved by the pageant industry, by the pageant fans, because nakita nila yung effort, nakita nila how passionate she was during the Miss Universe stint. And kaya feeling ko masyadong love siya ng pageant community.
Nasa dugo ng Marquez.
Yes, mga palaban. Diba? So, malapit na kasi Feb na. Alam ko Feb na mag-start officially. Diba? Magki-kick off yung pageant. So, ano yung mga nakakaabalaan mo before? Mga days, weeks before this, pre-pageant, activities?
Sorry, nawala po. I can't understand.
Hello?
Yeah. Ayan.
Since malapit na yung pre-pageant activities nyo, so, ano yung mga preparations mo pa? Or mga last minute? Kasi malapit na, Feb na di ba? So, marami kang for sure mga fittings and all? Or planchado na ba?
Maaga kasi ako nag-prepare
Ayun na nga.
Maaga kasi ako nag-prepare. Maaga din ako nag-prepare mentally and emotionally. Because this is not an overnight decision. Because as you know, I'm also a mother and I have a family.
Yeah.
And ngayon, ang ginagawa ko lang is, if my time with my family, I spend quality time with them. Yeah, it's better to prepare early Ang mas smooth, siguro, feeling ko mas smooth kasi nga, naplansyado na namin kahit papaano. There are areas na syempre, di naman natin alam, di ba? May emergency fitting or may kailangan gawin lang na content or ganito, ganyan. Pero, ang preparation ko ngayon is I just want to spend time with my family.
At least planchado na and smooth. Ika nga, 'di ba? So, ready na talaga. Kaya siguro kahapon merong ano talaga, meron kang aura na at peace. Kasi ano na, parang nakaplansya na siya. Pero is it okay to tell ba? Pero okay lang naman kung hindi. Mga when mo na decide talaga na sasali ka ulit? Around what month? Or ano ba yan?
Naku, hindi ko na maala. Ganun katagal eh, no?
Tagal.
Hindi,
Definitely.
gusto ko talaga sumali. Nung tinaga ko ni Michelle sa, di ba siya kasi, doon ko kasi unang nalaman. I wanted to join. It's just that I'm not 110% yet.
Okay.
So, maybe early of last year, parang nagba-back and forth pa kami. Nag-uusap kami ni Michelle kasi urong-sulong pa ako kung paanong gagawin. I'm not sure when was the exact date. Masasabi ko lang 3 months preparing na ako. But that is physically.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Wala pa yung talagang major for the Miss Universe Philippines kasi hindi ko naman alam kung anong requirements pa.
Okay.
Kumbaga nagpaplano lang ako, ito pwedeng gawin, itong ganyan-ganyan. Pero I don't know any requirements yet. Ang inano ko lang talaga is yung preparation ng body. Gumawa ako ng sarili kong shoot na hindi naman talaga. Yung K7, hindi pa ako nun eh. Parang, sige gawa tayo. So
hindi pa siya talaga intended for ano.
Parang alam mo in the back of my head, hindi pa siya announced or sure, pero talaga gawa tayo kasi sasali ako. Alam mo yung ganon?
Yes, oo.
Yeah. So,
Papak yung photoshoot na Seven. Ang ganda. Lalo na
galing
kung
din
galing niya lang kay Chelsea, di ba? Tapos sabi ko, oh my
thankful din ako kay Seven. Kasi, syempre alam ko kung gano'n rin siya, kakasabak lang niya eh. Kumbaga, di ba, wala siyang pahinga. So, thankful din ako na umuo siya.
Yan, di ba? Any messages to your to your supporters, to your fans? Kasi for sure, pakalat na ito, di ba? And thank you so much for your time pala, by the way.
Thank you.
Oo, kasi
Super bigla. Talaga nag-aayos pa tayo kanina, nagbo-brush pa na.
tapa nga, Pero sabi ko, I can't miss the opportunity. Sabi ko, kasi normally nagla-live ako gabi. So mga after work ko or after my meeting, mga gabi, parang 10 p.m., 10:30. So nagulat pag login ko dito, sabi ng mga stars, sabi nila, aga niyo. Sabi ko, good evening pa pala.
Ito na nga yun. Expect the unexpected. O, di ba?
Diba? If you think that you've seen the best of me, sabi mo nga kahapon.
You have to wait and see. Ito na nga, expect the unexpected. Bigla akong bumulaga.
Diba? Kasi mga stars, I really wanted to interview her prior na mag-announce.
Yes.
Diba? Ang kapal ng pes ka talagang tanongin siya. But kasi hindi lang nagtutugma yung schedules and also sabi ko, baka hindi pa tamang panahon. And eto na nga. Diba?
But thank you. Thank you also for all your posts. I see your posts. Maraming salamat. And syempre sa lahat ng ako ba magbibigay?
Ako. Virtual ngayon. Uy, naku, pag may binasbasan pa man din ako, naku, nangyayari.
Siyempre, thank you. I also want to say personally, kahit virtually, thank you. Kasi you post about me and you have good words and pantay-pantay yung tingin mo sa aming lahat, which I really do appreciate.
Yes, dapat naman, oo.
So, thank you for that. And syempre, sa lahat ng viewers mo, sa lahat ng fans ko, thank you so much for supporting me even after 8 years. Thank you so much. I am really, really grateful. I will try my best to make you all proud. And I'm definitely going to give you a really great show. And please support me in my journey. So, thank you so much. Thank you.
And ako naman, why I want you to be the next MEP coach. Kasi they've opened the doors. And kasama dun yung mga mothers. I don't wanna nga yung age mo kasi 32 for me still young.
Yeah, okay.
Yung pagiging mother, we never had a Miss Universe Philippines or a Miss Universe na mother pa. And now that it's opened, maybe it's high time, di ba? Na magkaroon tayo. Lalo na kung palaban. Diba? Lalo na kung well-deserving. Kasi we need talaga someone na, number one, malakas ang laban. palaban, tama ang attitude, ang mindset. Attitude is very, very important. Kasi in a sea of how many beautiful girls, at the end of the day, ang gusto ng any organization is someone that they could actually work with. Someone na, kasi maraming attitude talaga. And I've witnessed that myself. So, kaya siguro yung mga fans na hindi nila nakikita yung what's happening behind the scenes. Kaya siguro, minsan ito yung nananalo kahit hindi yun yung top choice nila kasi baka may attitude. Or hindi lang siya yung hinahanap talaga. So mahirap yun eh. Kasi at the end of the day, there's only one universe crown.
Yes.
And in your case, you're eligible for the universe crown only.
Yes.
Di ba? But no matter what, win or win, hindi na lose. You're already a winner. Name mo na yung win-win. So congratulations and thank you for making the pageant fans this year extra happy
Thank
sa darating
you.
na MPH. Diba? Thank you so much. I will let you be. I know maghanap ka, narinig ko kanina. Ayun na si ano, hindi ko babanggitin, baka malaman nila yung designer mo. Nag-message na siya. Parang nag-message na siya ngayon. Naloka ata siya. Kasi busy siya sa isang wedding ng, parang hindi ko na sabi ko sino. Sabi ko busy ata si friend. Kasi same kami ng school. Older
Okay.
pa. Okay, sabi ko nung bata ka parang napapanood na kita sa palibasa every Tuesday. So sabi ko, yun. Kaya doon kami chika-chika na pinambongga nito. Hindi ko na babanggatin yung name niya, baka bigla nilang stalk. Hanapin.
Huwag na.
Very, very soon malalaman nyo palaban ng kanyang gown. O, abangan natin yan. Thank you so much, our queen, Wing.
Thank you so much.
And
Love
salamat.
you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm not... Basta, it's fun na ganito lang. I love it. I love the vibe.
Ano pa
Thank you.
pagkakaayos?
Thank you.
Pero your mata mo, naku, asset mo yan.
Oh, thank you.
Percent.
Thank
So,
I'll
bongga.
message you. Message me
I
anytime.
will. Good luck and congratulations.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Stars, bye-bye. Bye-bye.